Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings or use a faster encoding preset. I think anybody that's ever streamed or recorded gameplay using OBS has seen this message at some point in time. I'm about to show you how to find out why you are getting the encoding overloaded message and how to find the exact steps you need to take to fix it. Now, notice how I said how to find out, not how to. And this is going to be valuable not just for this issue. When you're done watching this video, I promise you'll end up using this method to fix many issues you have on your computer going forward. I do IT support for a living. I use this method when I don't know things at my job, and it has helped me out tremendously. So the truth is, I don't know how to fix your computer. Everyone watching this video right now has a different computer with different graphics cards, different processors, different RAM. You get the point, right? So you've probably been on Google, YouTube, Reddit, looking for ways to fix this issue. And those videos that you're finding are helpful, but they give you very broad possibilities of things that it could be. And they set you out on a journey and a mission to try all of them by trial and error and to find out on your own which particular method or setting is causing this message for your OBS. And I promise this will be the only video you need to watch on how to fix this issue. All right, so now we're in OBS and I want you to look at the log file. So go up to help. Go to log files and view current log file. And also you see crash reports here. If OBS is crashing a lot, you can pull up the crash reports and use this same method if you want to do it that way, right? But we're going to work with the log file right now. So go to log files and go view current log file. We're going to pull that up and you can see all this stuff. I'm going to scroll up. It has tons and tons and tons of data. I haven't cleared the log file in a while. If you've recently cleared your log file, I would suggest probably maybe streaming, doing one more stream or like recording for like half an hour and let this log file build up so it can analyze and read everything that OBS is doing. With that being said, like this log file records everything that happens in OBS. Everything that you do, simple from clicking record to clicking stop. It timestamps everything that you do in OBS. So when OBS lags or you drop frames or you get the encoding overloaded message, it records this in OBS, all right here in the log file. So let's say you have a full log file like mine. I want you to click the open file button right here. And I want you to go to file and I want you to choose save as, right? So here's all the logs. You can name it whatever you want, put it whatever you want. I have it on my desktop as encoding overload. I've already done this, so mine's already there. Next, pull up whatever browser you use. I use Opera, and go to chatgpt.com. Pull up ChatGPT, and if you've never used ChatGPT, and this is your first time, welcome. This is a very powerful tool, and it can do a lot of things that could better your life. So you start a chat by going up here to a new chat. I've already started one. It'll start you off like this anyway. You might not have to click that, but it says ask anything. Now, right here, it has a paperclip that will allow me to attach a file. You see where this is going, right? We're going to click this paperclip and we're going to upload our encoding overload log file. Once it's uploaded, ask it something like this, but you might want to be very specific. So we're having the encoding overload error, so we're going to focus on that. But I will tell you different things you can do as I type this. Like I said, this is going to be able to help you in a lot more ways than one, and in a lot more ways than just with OBS. So we're going to tell it to analyze this log file from that's file, not I need file, not a file. Analyze this log file from OBS and tell me exactly why I'm getting the encoding overload error message and how to fix it. Okay, like I said, you could talk to this in many different ways. So if you want to be very specific, you can say getting the encoding overload error message while streaming or while recording, or you can ask it about your audio, whatever. I'm going to stick with while recording and how to fix it. So I'm going to hit enter here and it's going to analyze the log file and it's going to start showing me issues that it's detected. Now, when I said I don't know how to fix your computer, and we all have different computers, this log file gives you errors and possible key issues based on your hardware your computer. Like I said, those other things that you probably found are very broad. So your log file has all this information. So it's still compiling possible things and how to fix it. So let's just look at it. Skipped frames due to encoding lag. So first recording 84 frames skipped out of 751. It's 11.2%. So it shows you this stuff. OBS is struggling to keep up with encoding, causing frame loss. High encoding load, resolution, bit rate, preset, all these things. It's telling me these are possible issues. These settings are possible issues as to why I'm having problems. It tells you why is this a problem. This is a very wide resolution, meaning OBS is encoding a large number of pixels per frame. And the reason I record like this, not that you really need to know, but if you were wondering, it's because I do Let's Plays. I have a gaming channel where I do Let's Plays. I record my camera on this side, gameplay on this side, and then I import that into Adobe Premiere, and I'm able to manipulate it so that the camera's down here and the gameplay is in the background. You get what I'm trying to say. I'm going to look into a different way of doing that so I can bring down the resolution in the future. So yeah, it explains to you why all this stuff is a problem. Like the settings that you have, these are why these are a problem based on your computer. So now here we go. Hardware resource constraints. CPU. It tells me about my CPU. I have a GPU RTX 2070 Super. That's what I'm working with here. VRAM available. RAM available. Only 3.8 gigabyte free of my 16 gigabytes of RAM. So why is this a problem? The RTX 2070 Super has NVENC, but can struggle when encoding at high resolutions while also running games. So that's another key thing. If you stream or you record while you play games on the same computer, you're going to have more issues. And that's what I'm having right here. So OBS might be competing for VRAM and CPU resources, causing encoding lag. So here's the good part. How to fix it. This is telling you exactly the steps you need to take to fix your OBS based on your settings, your hardware, your rig, your computer. So downscale your resolution, and it tells you how to do it. Reduce the bit rate to 10,000. It gives you other solutions here. How to change it. NVENC preset. Disable unnecessary features. Close background applications. Enable GPU scheduling if not already. And then here's the part that I like right here. Final recommendations. Bullet points on what to change. Resolution, here's your current. This is the recommended fix right here. Now what I want you to do, guys, is when you get these results from your log file, I want you to do exactly what this says. Even if it tells you to go down to 30 FPS and a resolution you don't want to, I want you to do exactly what it says, because this will fix the issue, and then you can start tweaking things after you fix the issue. So I did this. I made all these changes. Here we are in OBS. I'm not going to go over all the changes that I made. They were there on the screen. You can see them. I made all these changes. I even went down to 1920 by 1080 because I have it set to this. And I made all the changes and it fixed my problem. No more encoding overload error message. I was happy about that, but I was not happy about the resolution I was recording at because I couldn't do my cam at the same time. So with all of the other changes that I made, and that's why I said make those changes and you can tweak it. I came back and I just put this resolution back to what it was and I clicked OK. And then I restarted OBS and started recording. Still didn't get the message. So all the other settings that I changed seemed to work for my situation, and I was able to go back to the resolution that I wanted, and I was super happy about that. So I'm at the resolution that I wanted. I'm recording at 60 FPS. It fixed my issue. All right, guys, so that's it. I used ChatGPT to analyze my log file, and it told me exactly how to fix my issue. Like I said, this is a valuable thing to learn with any situations. If you have any log files, crash files, dump files, error logs, error messages, screenshots of error messages, ChatGPT analyze it for you and help you fix it. I hope this was helpful today, guys, and I hope you resolve all of your issues with OBS. Make sure you hit that like button for me. Let me hear you in the comments if this worked, and subscribe and come back because we're going to do other videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.